DoorDash drivers typically see earnings that vary widely by time and location, with most income coming from a mix of base pay, tips, and peak demand bonuses, rather than a fixed hourly wage. By the end, you'll understand how DoorDash actually calculates pay, what drives hourly earnings up or down, and what most drivers realistically see during normal versus busy hours. Start with how pay is built. DoorDash pays per delivery, not per hour. Each order includes base pay, customer tip, and sometimes extra pay during busy periods. That means your hourly income depends on how many orders you complete and how quickly you move between them. Now look at what affects hourly earnings. The biggest factor is order frequency. If orders come in back to back, you stay active and your hourly rate increases. If there are gaps between orders, your effective hourly pay drops because you're waiting without earning. Distance also matters. Longer deliveries can pay more per order, but they take more time, which can reduce how many total deliveries you complete in an hour. Now look at peak time behavior. Busy periods like lunch and dinner create more order volume. During these times, drivers often stay consistently active instead of waiting between offers. That consistency is where higher hourly earnings usually come from. Now compare tips versus base pay. Tips often make up a large part of total earnings per delivery. That means two drivers doing the same route can earn very different amounts depending on customer tipping behavior. Now here's what most drivers miss. DoorDash income is less about the platform and more about timing. Drivers who focus on peak hours and high demand zones usually see much stronger hourly performance than drivers who stay online during slow periods. Now the simple breakdown. DoorDash does not guarantee a fixed hourly rate. Your actual hourly earnings depend on three things: order volume, distance per trip, and how often you stay busy without waiting. Now the takeaway. DoorDash can feel low paying during slow hours when orders are spaced out. It can feel much stronger during peak demand when deliveries stack quickly. The same driver can see very different results depending on when and where they work. Next step. Track your earnings separately for lunch rush and dinner rush over a few days, so you can see how much your hourly rate changes based on timing alone. Subscribe for more real breakdowns of gig apps, delivery platforms, and side income tools without inflated numbers or confusion.